Hello everyone, I'm Venant. Today, I want to share a story that's both heartbreaking and incredibly powerful. It's a story of survival, of instinct, and of the unbreakable bonds of family in the face of nature's fury. Imagine this. A thick, suffocating smoke fills the air, turning the once vibrant green forest into a silhouette of grey and orange. The scent of pine is replaced by the acrid smell of burning wood. This is the scene our story's heroes are facing. Look here. Through the haze, we see a mother elephant, a gentle giant, her eyes wide with fear, but filled with determination. She nudges her small calf forward, her massive body a shield against the encroaching heat. Every step is a calculated risk, a desperate push towards safety. She doesn't just lead, she protects, she guides, her every movement a promise to her child, "Stay with me, we will make it." And over there, darting through the undergrowth like a fleeting shadow, a deer sprints for its life. Its powerful legs, usually meant for graceful leaps through quiet glades, are now instruments of pure survival. The roar of the fire is at its heels, a relentless predator. There's no time for hesitation, only the primal urge to outrun the flames that are devouring its home. High above the forest floor, in the canopy that is now a latticework of fire, a mother monkey clutches her baby tightly to her chest. She leaps from one burning branch to another, a terrifying dance against a backdrop of destruction. Each jump is a leap of faith. The little one clings on, its small face buried in its mother's fur, trusting her completely. It's a testament to a mother's love, a force that defies even the most terrifying infernos. Even the apex predator, the magnificent tiger, is humbled by this disaster. We see it running, not with the stealth of a hunter, but with the desperation of the hunted. The fire is an indiscriminate force, erasing territories and upending the natural order. In this moment, the king of the jungle is just another soul fleeing for its life, its powerful stride carrying it away from the only home it has ever known. These images are a stark reminder of the devastating impact of forest fires on wildlife. These animals, caught in a catastrophe they didn't create, show us a resilience that is truly awe-inspiring. Their fight for survival is a story that needs to be told. It reminds us of our shared responsibility to protect these precious ecosystems and the incredible creatures that call them home. Thank you for watching and for opening your hearts to their story. If you were moved by this, please like, share, and subscribe for more content that matters. Together, we can raise awareness and make a difference. Stay safe and take care. I am Venant. Goodbye.